Alright, hey, what's up guys? So for today, we're going to be restoring these Jordan 2 Alternate 87. Basically what we're going to do is the shoe is just do a cleanup on it, deep clean actually. And basically just do a minor repaint. Because this shoe has a lot of scuffs honestly. But yeah, that's all we're going to do on this video. Just a real quick close up on what I'm talking about. The shoe is actually kind of dirty, as you can see. There's some scuff marks. I don't know if you could detect that with the camera. I don't know if you guys can see it basically, but yeah. Let's just get into the video. Alright guys, so the first step is just putting down the shoe tree inside the shoe just to make it easier to clean the front toe box. Right now I'm just showing you what shoe cleaner I'm using. You can use any shoe cleaner you want. I'm just using Jason Mark. I'm showing you the brushes right now. I'm just using an all-purpose brush and a stiff brush. And basically, I forgot to mention that I put some water into the shoe cleaner. I forgot to record that, but yeah, as you can see, I'm just cleaning the upper part of the shoe with a suede brush or all-purpose brush, I guess you could say. But yeah, alright, now I basically cleaned the whole shoe, patting it down with a towel, and I'm now just cleaning the midsole with the stiff brush. And now I'm just cleaning the bottoms with the stiff brush also. Now I'm just cleaning the shoelaces with my hands. Alright guys, so basically the tools that we need is the shoes, obviously, the heat gun, 3 cotton balls or more, and there's this black flat paint and that thing called the container where you could put the paint in. But yeah, basically the first step is to put acetone. If you don't have acetone, you could use nail polish remover, you could use some rubbing alcohol if you don't have acetone. So I'm basically just gonna clean the whole shoe. Last step we're gonna be doing is just hitting the shoe with some crystal clear and with some matte finish, so it could be a semi-gloss. Alright guys, came out really well. That glossiness on the Alternate 87, beautiful. Now it's just time to release the shoe. Alright guys, so we're basically done with this restoration. Basically what I did was I first did a deep clean on the shoes, like by cleaning them up with Jason Mark. But yeah, after that I basically waited until they let them dry after a day. Basically repainted them. And it was crystal clear right now finisher, and basically right now they just look like semi-new honestly. So yeah, I'll give you guys better close-ups on how the results came out. But yeah, it just looks like brand new. There's nothing much to say, but yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Guys, this is my first video. I just want to know if you guys really liked it. Just give me some tips. I'm gonna keep on doing restorations and playing some video games on this channel. I'm gonna keep on trying to upload like once a week or once every 2 weeks, you know, until I get like a good fan base, and then I'll make a schedule. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I'll make like a video a week. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and just leave down comments what should I improve on. But yeah, thank you.